to find hotel deals on Expedia. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide through quick and easy on how you can find hotel deals on Expedia. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to find hotel deals on Expedia, you can utilize the search wizard. So you can see I'm on Expedia.com. You can use the application as well. You can see you want to search in, make sure you're on the stays tab, not flights, cars, packages, things to do or cruises. You want to be on the stays. Then here, where to option. You can see here, so you can search in whether you are two travelers. I'll just select one traveler, done, and then you can search for the dates, for example from 25th to 28th. Then you can proceed to search it. So you can select the destination, whether which place you want to travel to and looking for, and it'll look you out, it'll filter out quickly. Now on the left hand side you get the filters. You can proceed to filter out from here as well, so you can include breakfast or near the lake or such options. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe. This is how you can find hotel deals on Expedia. Do not forget to leave the comment down below as well.